Central Coromandel Express, Yeshwantpur-Howrah Superfast Express and a goods train. As per reports, Bengaluru-Howrah Superfast Express was on its way to Howrah when several coaches derailed and fell on the adjacent tracks. The Shalimar-Chennai Central Coromandel Express on its way to Chennai collided with the derailed coaches of the Bengaluru-Howrah Superfast Express. The derailed coaches of the Coromandel Express then hit the wagons of a goods train. The Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has ordered a high-level probe to find out the reason behind the accident. The minister said that it is important to pay the root cause. Vaishnav has also announced ex gratia compensation to the victims of the train accident. 10 lakh rupees for death, rupees 2 lakh towards previously injured, and rupees 50,000 for minor injuries. Ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh to the victim deceased and rupees 50,000 to the